Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your WCT wallet address on Binance. As you know, WCT or Wallet Connect just list on Binance and this is the chart. It's looking good. And if you want to transfer your Wallet Connect from other exchange or your wallet to Binance, it's very easy. You just need your wallet address on Binance. So first you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is deposit option. You can click it. And now you can search WCT. And this one you can click it. And then you choose Optimism Network. And this is your wallet address. You can copy it or you can scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.